Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Samsung Cloud in Galaxy A15 device. So for this guys, first of all, go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of accounts and backup. All you guys have to do just tap here guys. After that, just click on backup data. Now we have to sign in Samsung account, so we can just use sign in with Google. Just tap here and then I click my Gmail account. So after that guys, just click here to agree all the condition and then click agree. So as you guys see that the Samsung account is now created. So all you guys have to do just click on backup data and then you can set up all the permissions of Samsung Cloud. And as you see guys, we have all the things of backup here. So all you guys have to do just go to Samsung account here and scroll, so you guys can see the option of Samsung Cloud. Just tap here and you can enable all the application to which you want a backup. So that's how we can set up Samsung Cloud in Galaxy A15 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.